We are here in Thistledown Campground in Ouray, Colorado. Ouray, I don't care. How do you say it?
I don't know.
I don't know either.
Ouray.
Ouray, Ouray. Okay, it's O-U-R-A-Y. Ouray. Right? Ouray? Whatever. We're in Thistledown. We're in Thistledown Campground. And we got here this morning, grabbed one of the last spots, and we're super happy about it. We've already explored a little bit, and this is our campground.
So we're here in the Escalante Dominguez area in what would it be, south of Grand Junction, near Delta, and we headed out here to check out some petroglyphs, and we're actually kind of really heartbroken right off the bat because I don't know if you can see this wall behind us, but there might have been some really cool petroglyphs on it, but there's spots that you can tell someone has smashed them off and wrote their own stuff over it. And I mean, don't get me wrong, there's a few that are beautiful, but the rest of them are just names and dates, and it's sad. There's signs that say look, but please don't touch. This is history. So we'll head down the canyon, see if we can't find some cool ones, maybe some that haven't been ruined.
We made it here to our second campsite of the weekend. We're here at Escalante Canyon Road, and it's a really pretty area. There's a lot to look around here. Happy with the views?
Yeah, go fly some drones. So we took a day off on Friday so that we could head down to Ouray early. Thursday night we headed out and made it to about Delta area, slept in the camper just down a road off of some BLM, what was it, Dominguez Canyon?
Mm-hmm.
So then we woke up Friday morning and finished the drive down to Ouray, and got real lucky at Thistledown
Campground.
Yep, and snagged the last camp spot. Used the max tracks to level the truck out enough to be able to sleep there. Kind of tight spot, but we made it work.
Mm-hmm.
It rained on and off all day Friday into the night. Anytime the sun came out, we would go outside and go down to the river right there by the campground, or hiked up close to Camp Bird Mine. On the way down from the hike, it was pouring and the dogs were wet. We were so wet. We got real lucky. A razor coming by said, "You guys want to ride?" And we're like, "Yeah, we're just another mile up the road." So we jumped in the back of their Razor and they zipped us down the mountain to our camp spot, and we cooked our meals and headed in, watched a movie inside the camper, and crashed fairly early, and headed into Ouray, check out some of the little shops, and do a hike. What was it?
Cascade Falls.
Cascade Falls. We've been there before. Really cool waterfall right inside Ouray. Definitely worth stopping there. It only takes like 15-20 minutes to see the waterfall. And we're camped off Escalante Canyon and hanging out here for the afternoon.
Warming up, drying off. We're all about it. Experience 2 totally different climates in less than 24 hours. But we pack for all seasons, so we're always prepared. Probably could have been more prepared on the rain because our clothes did get pretty soaked. But thankfully, again, we have our truck camper, so it's a nice place to go in and dry off and warm back up. So yeah, we're just gonna hang out here for the night and enjoy the views. Good? Okay.
Thanks for watching.